First, let's learn the pronunciation. Stall starts with ST. That sounds like in the words stay, stone, and still. The letters ALL have the all sound, like in fall, call, and ball. Say the word after me. Stall. The word stall can refer to a compartment. For example, you might have various stalls at a market, each one with a different person selling different things. You also have stalls in a public bathroom. Each stall is a small compartment that contains a toilet. Stall can also be a verb. It refers to when a car engine suddenly loses power and energy. This is more common in cars with a stick shift or a manual shift, like you can see in the picture. When a car stalls, it is not broken. It is just temporarily stopped because the engine lost power. You can start the car again and continue driving. There's an expression, stall for time, which means to intentionally cause a delay. For example, the businessman is hesitant to make a decision, so he's stalling for time.